Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the wild world of 3D printers. Today, we've got an epic showdown between two titans of the 3D printing universe, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M aka Flashy, and the Creality K1C aka Crazy K. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk about the price. Flashy is giving us a sweet deal at $479, while Crazy K is flexing its muscles with a hefty $699 price tag. That's like choosing between a Toyota and a Tesla, folks. Both will get you there, but one might have you eating instant noodles for a month. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Flashy boasts a one-click automatic printing feature. It's like the microwave of 3D printers. Set it and forget it. Reviewers love its user-friendliness and ease of setup. Meanwhile, Crazy K comes with auto-calibration and smart sensors, making it more advanced but also a bit more complex. Reviewers praise Crazy K for its smart features, but some find it challenging to set up initially. Next, let's talk speed. Both these bad boys can hit up to 600 millimeters per second, but Crazy K claims to be 12 times faster than your regular 3D printer. Reviewers have noted Flashy's fast printing capabilities, but Crazy K's speed is often highlighted as a standout feature. It's like comparing a cheetah to a really fast cheetah. Either way, you'll be printing faster than you can say, Extruder. On to print quality. Flashy has dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle sizes. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printing. Reviewers appreciate its accuracy and versatility. Crazy K, on the other hand, has a tri-metal unicorn nozzle and supports carbon fiber filaments. Reviewers are impressed by its high-quality prints and material compatibility. If you're a material snob, Crazy K's got your back. Let's dive into the smart features. Flashy lets you control everything via the FlashMaker app. You can spy on your print job while you're at the grocery store. Reviewers find this feature very convenient. Crazy K, however, takes it up a notch with an AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. It's like having a security camera for your 3D prints. Reviewers love these high-tech features, although some mention initial setup challenges. Last but not least, let's talk about noise and air quality. Crazy K promises a silent mode under 45 decibels and an air purification system. Reviewers appreciate the quiet operation and air quality improvements. Flashy, on the other hand, didn't get the memo about being quiet. Reviewers have noted that it can be quite loud. If you're printing at night, Crazy K might be the better roommate. Overall, reviewers find FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M to be user-friendly, versatile, and fast, though it can be loud. On the other hand, Creality K1C is praised for its high-tech features, blazing speed, and high-quality prints, but some users encounter initial setup challenges. So, who takes the crown? Is it Flashy with its user-friendly interface and budget-friendly price? Or is it Crazy K with its high-speed, high-tech features and magical unicorn nozzle? Let us know in the comments below which one you think is the king of 3D printing. Thanks for tuning in, Buy Smart family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. Until next time, print smart, buy smart. And remember, product links are in the description.